Hello everyone. Welcome to my weight loss channel. In this videos we will be dealing with the topics which says the best ways and strategies to gain your loss weight faster. In case you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more informative weight loss videos here. Now let's get started. The principle of weight gain is simple. Energy intake exceeds energy expenditure. However, as discussed previously, overweight and obesity are clearly the result of a complex set of interactions among genetic, behavioral, and environmental factors. While hundreds, if not thousands, of weight loss strategies, diets, potions, and devices have been offered to the overweight public, the multi-factorial etiology of overweight challenges practitioners, researchers, and the overweight themselves to identify permanent, effective strategies for weight loss and maintenance. The percentage of individuals who lose weight and successfully maintain the loss has been estimated to be as small as 1 to 3%. Evidence shows that genetics plays a role in the etiology of overweight and obesity. However, genetics cannot account for the increase in overweight observed in the U.S. population over the past 2 decades. Rather, the behavioral and environmental factors that conspire to induce individuals to engage in too little physical activity and eat too much relative to their energy expenditure must take most of the blame. It is these factors that are the target of weight management strategies. This chapter reviews the efficacy and safety of strategies for weight loss, as well as the combinations of strategies that appear to be associated with successful loss. In addition, the elements of successful weight maintenance also will be reviewed, since the difficulty in maintaining weight loss may contribute to the overweight problem. A brief discussion of public policy measures that may help prevent overweight and assist those who are trying to lose weight or maintain weight loss is also included. Physical activity. Increased physical activity is an essential component of a comprehensive weight reduction strategy for overweight adults who are otherwise healthy. One of the best predictors of success in the long-term management of overweight and obesity is the ability to develop and sustain an exercise program. The availability of exercise facilities at military bases can reinforce exercise and fitness programs that are necessary to meet the service's physical readiness needs generally, and for weight management specifically. For a given individual, the intensity, duration, frequency, and type of physical activity will depend on existing medical conditions, degree of previous activity, physical limitations, and individual preferences. Referral for additional professional evaluation may be appropriate, especially for individuals with more than one of the above extenuating factors. The benefits of physical activity, see Table 4.1, are significant and occur even in the absence of weight loss. It has been shown that one of the benefits, an increase in high-density lipoproteins, can be achieved with a threshold level of aerobic exercise of 10 to 11 hours per month. I believe this video will really help you when it comes to controlling your weight from not weight loss. If you find this video informative and helpful, kindly thumb up to like, subscribe and click the notification button for more videos about weight loss. Thanks for watching.